Your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. Just want to give you a quick update on what we had for snowfall from yesterday into this morning. A good swath of 2 to 4+ inches fell across places like Owensboro up to Louisville and into Cincinnati, clipping the northern counties here with a good 2 to 3 inches in a few spots. Here in Lexington, we had just about 2 inches. Cynthiana 2.2, Frankfort 2.1, Georgetown 1.4. I had 1.2 at my house in central Jessamine County. All in all, those final snowfall reports were shifted just a smidge north than the forecast, but did still hit in the forecast zone like what we had. You can still see the snow sticking around in Paris. It'll be on the rooftops here for us in Lexington. Somerset wasn't expected to get a whole lot of anything except rain, and they're dry and clear now. And Richmond is trying to hang on to a little bit of snow, but a lot of it has been melting throughout the day. Hard to believe now with temperatures that are in the upper 20s to low 30s, and most of us well below freezing at this point. Wind chill feels even cooler than that, with temperatures in the low 20s at times. As that gentle little breeze comes across, it will drop those feels-like temperatures for us as we head into the overnight as well. Down into the low 20s tonight, a few spots likely to dip into the teens. Cloud cover sticking around, though, holds us pretty steady by that point. Tomorrow afternoon, we're going to try to get you into the upper 30s. A few spots across southern Kentucky could break into the low 40s. All in all, still a bit below average for us for this time of the year, and that cold winter air is going to stick around for us through much of this week. In fact, the coldest of it hasn't quite gotten here yet. As we go through our day Thursday, Friday, we're going to be hovering near freezing both days. As we roll into the weekend, another small spike that's going to give way to the potential for more rain and or snow as we go into early next week. So the cold air sticking around for us. Anticipate that winter feel across the board. Here's what it looks like on satellite and radar. We're now in between systems. We do have some high pressure to the south and west, but really going to see our next influence come from the wave that is to our northwest. That's going to bring us our next chance for opportunities of maybe some snow by early Thursday morning. Then Friday, a different wave comes in, so we've got 2 opportunities, rather weak ones there. Then we start to look towards Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and a stronger system is starting to peek its head for that time frame. A lot of discrepancies in our models, though, as we roll through it. So splitting the next big thing into 2 parts. Really, this is going to be just a bit of an active period into tomorrow. We do see some cloud cover lift away, which could help bring some sunshine in. But here's what it looks like by early Thursday. A band of snowfall coming in out of the northwest and a mix coming up out of the south, running somewhere across Kentucky. You notice how this starts to fall apart. Chances for accumulation looking kind of low with that one. Then high pressure rolls in behind it. Different wave for Friday, showing up as rain on Futurecast, actually, especially in the mid-levels where the cloud cover will likely be above freezing. So potential for some kind of freezing precipitation as it comes to the ground, something we'll have to watch here with these 2 weak waves during the week. Now, the next big thing, part 2, is just looking ahead towards Sunday, Monday, Tuesday time frame. This model, anyway, says we could have sort of a repeat of what we just had with a rain-snow line setting up across Kentucky sometime Sunday, Monday, or maybe even into Monday, Tuesday. Again, a lot of discrepancies in that, but either way, it's good to put that on the radar. That one looking like it could have impacts. The ones that we have Thursday, Friday, very minimal at best, but nonetheless, those temperatures, Jordan, they're not moving much on that 7-day.